everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make some easy fall decor DIYs. I think these turn out beautiful and I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft.
Alright everyone, I'm going to start with a Hello Pumpkin sign. From Dollar Tree, I'm going to use one of these wooden trucks, and from Amazon, I will be using this wooden circle. I'll have the link down in the description box in case you want to purchase these circles. They are such a great buy. You get like 12 for like, I forgot, like $15? I forgot, but I'll have that information down in the description box. I'm going to start by just painting the circle using some white chalk paint. Then I'm going to paint the truck using the Waverly chalk paint in the color moss. I am painting the base of the truck with this color. Then I'm going to paint the rims using the Waverly chalk paint in the color steel. And then the tires are going to be black. And the back of the truck, I'm going to paint it using the same color steel. And I'm going to paint one of the pumpkins using the Waverly chalk paint in the color mineral, and the other one orange. Using a tiny brush and white paint, I'm going to add some details to the truck just so it doesn't look too flat. And you can leave the truck like this, but I decided to add some buffalo check scrapbook paper to it. I got the inspiration from one of the ones I got from Hobby Lobby. It's like the blue teal truck with like the door with the buffalo check. So that's what I decided to do. I am going to trace it. Sorry, you can't really see it here, but I did trace it, then I cut it out. I then glue it using my Elmer's glue stick. Now you can use Mod Podge if you like. And look how cute this truck looks. Now I'm going to just place it on the center of my circle, so like that I know where I'm going to put Hello Pumpkin. And I'm using these Dollar Tree transfer stickers, and I also use my Cricut to print out the Hello little transfer sticker, but I actually printed this out way back in March, I think, and I had this little extra one, that's why I'm using it. But I regret not printing a new one out because I could have done like a bigger Hello Pumpkin sign, but I was too lazy. So I just used what I had already. So I put hello a little bit slanted, and then underneath I put pumpkin. Now I'm going to just glue the truck, and I'm using some hot glue to glue this. Honestly, the truck already looks beautiful as it is now, but I did have these little sunflowers that I recently got from the Dollar Tree, so I decided to add some to this. This is where I regretted not printing out bigger images to transfer to my sign. But then I decided to just add some little leaf tails to it. So I am using a round circle, and then I'm going to draw like little leaves And I did this on the top part and then on the other side. And I think this made it look so much better. And that is it for this Hello Pumpkin Truck decor sign. I think it turned out so cute. My next DIY is going to be very easy and simple to do. Now from Dollar Tree, I will be using one of these decor signs. I did remove the back. And then I'm going to paint the frame using the Waverly chalk paint in the color Elephant. I did start by painting this more a little bit distressed. I wanted it to look more distressed and old and rustic. At the end, I did end up just painting the entire thing. I didn't like how it looked. So this is how it's going to look for now. Now the next thing I will be using is this thankful little light sign that I got from the Dollar Tree. I am going to remove the thankful part from the top part. It is very easy to remove. Just be careful, like you'll see. I didn't even notice that I had broken the F until like I was reading. I was like, it doesn't sound right because the F wasn't finished. So I did have to go back and look for it, which was on the floor. But anyways, I am going to paint this using this orange. And I'm going to use this piece of scrapbook paper that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to glue it to the back sign and then I'm going to glue the thankful right on top of it. This is where I realized that the F wasn't there. So then I went back and looked for it and I did paint the little piece that was missing and then I glued it back on there. Once I was finished, I put the back piece back on the frame and this is where I realized I didn't like the little distressing look. So I did decide to paint the entire frame just using the chalk paint. And that is it for this thankful sign. I think it turned out so beautiful. My next DIY is going to be another easy one. Now from Michael's, I did pick up one of these wooden squares, which I absolutely love. These are so perfect to DIY with and they are only 99 cents. So if you can't find any wood stuff at Dollar Tree, Michael's does carry things for $1 and under. And this is one of them. I am also using one of the little wooden dowels. This comes from a Dollar Tree little sponge paintbrush. And I am going to cut it. As you can see, I'm using my knife. I am crafting a knife, so I didn't want to go to my garage and cut this with my saw. Now I'm going to paint the wooden square using the Waverly chalk paint in the color Steel. And the dowel with some brown acrylic paint. Using my Cricut Maker, I did print this wreath out. Now Dollar Tree carries so many different stickers that you can use instead. I am going to just weave it out and then transfer it to my wood sign. The next thing I will be using is this little grateful wooden sign that I got from Target last year for $1. It was like a little pack and it had a whole bunch of these little ones. And I'm going to make a bow using this buffalo check ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree. This little wood sign had adhesive already, so all I did was remove the back paper and then place it on the center. Now I'm going to glue the stem, and I'm going to add some leaves that I got from one of the fall florals that I had, and then I'm going to add the bow. And this completes this little pumpkin that I think it turned out beautiful. For my next DIY, I'm going to use one of these Dollar Tree decorative boxes and this Dollar Tree wood crate. I'm going to start by painting, actually no, I'm going to start by removing the little tag thing that the box had, and then I'm going to paint the box using the Waverly chalk paint in the color Elephant. So for the crate, I just started by painting it with the Waverly chalk paint in the color Elephant first, and then I went with the moss, and this is how it looked. Now once it's dry, I am going to glue it to the back of the box. So that is it for this little crate box. Now I am going to decorate it using this Dollar Tree straw bell little thing. And I'm going to add one of them. Just be very careful. These things are very messy. Now I'm going to just decorate it using some random pumpkins I already had. Some of them are from Dollar Tree. Some are from like a little Walmart little bag that I got. And I think Hobby Lobby. I am also adding some Dollar Tree greenery. And I'm going to add this little picture that I cut off from a Hobby Lobby scrapbook paper, and then I'm going to glue it to the front. The last thing I will be adding is just this little welcome sign that I got from Hobby Lobby in a pack, and a bow. And that is it, guys. That is it for this DIY. I think it turned out beautiful. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.